So over here you can see that I have two mails right here, and let's say I don't want to read them right now. In that case, what you can do is you can snooze them out for later as well. So to do that, you can simply go around and right click on the email that you want to snooze, and then you can go around over here onto snooze. And let's say you want the email later today at 10 a.m. or tomorrow at 8 a.m. So once I go around and say tomorrow at 8 a.m., then what happens is that that mail gets snoozed for tomorrow 8 a.m. That means it'll appear in your inbox again in tomorrow 8 a.m. You can also select out an email right here or multiple emails in that matter, and then go around onto the snooze section and do the same over here. You can also choose a particular date, as you can see right here, and add in a custom time. So let's say, for example, I want this on Wednesday at around 8:02 a.m. right here, just like this, and save, and those emails get snoozed out. So if I were to go around over here on the left hand side, you can see that snooze option actually pops up right here, and you can see all of the emails that are snoozed out. You can also go around over here just like this, and then you can simply go around over here and move this out onto inbox directly over here as well, so that way it is not snoozed anymore. So that is how you can snooze and remove them out from snooze inside of Microsoft Outlook. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.